Hi friends, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. This is Royal Hemu, and in case if you are not my subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. And right now I am in Vijayawada, so I came here for a small walk.
In 300 meters, turn right onto Jai Hind Street, Rajagopalachari Street.
My father has some work, so I dropped him for his workplace. So now I am going to roam around the city, and actually I am planned for a test drive of tram for bike. So right now I am going to the place, and one more thing will be I am going for a movie also. So not sure how both this work will complete it. Right now time is 10:30, and I don't have any idea about these Vijayawada streets and all. So I am going. And I don't have the routes and all, right, so I put a GPS. So first I am going to the Inox Theatre to buy the tickets for a noon show. Once I got the tickets, I'll go over the tram showroom. I already called to the tram people. They said like you can come by 10 o'clock, and they said like actually I'm looking for a Tiger test ride, tram Tiger, but they said it is not available. But let me go to that tram showroom, and I will check which at least I'll get the details, how much is the on-road price. And from my city, from Nellore to here, there is a nearest place. Friends, I got the tickets, and 45 show. So now I am going to the tram showroom. Morning itself I called to them. They said like please come at 10 o'clock, and they said like we don't have a test drive vehicle for the sorry, they said like they don't have the test drive vehicle for the Tiger. So just I'm going to there to get the bike details. Okay friends, I am back on the highway, and returning road to the tram showroom, and this is a highway. Not sure which highway, and so it is there in the near highway. So I am going to the tram showroom, and this is the Vijayawada bridge. As you can see the right side, right? That is a Durgamma temple, Vijayawada famous temple, and this is the Vijayawada bridge under the Krishna river. And after from here, the tram showroom will be 3 kilometers. So right now I'm going to there. Once test drive is completed, and I'll go for a lunch, and then I'll go for a movie. Okay guys, I'm back with the test drive, and I did as I said previously, they don't have the Tramp Tiger test drive. Tramp Trident is available there testing, and I didn't came with my helmet, and as I came, so I couldn't record anything. But I did the test drive of the Tramp Trident, and I will share you the pictures. And that is a street neck bike, and actually I'm not much that interested on those kind of category, but it's a good bike. It has a more power, and they said its on-road price is 8 lakhs something. I checked with them, they said Tiger 850 on-road price is 4 lakhs something, and they are doing the finance also. HDFC or the Axis, the 6.5% interest rate. And actually the most main concern about the bike from my side is the maintenance cost. So I checked with them, they said every 16,000 kilometers the maintenance period, and they said the cost will be around 10 to 15,000, and that towards one year it will be complete, I think 15 to 16,000 kilometers. So for 1 year it will be 10,000 the maintenance cost. So I think it's a good thing only, but can manageable. But they said there is a basic engine oil change, and oil clean, brake pads, and again not brake pads, brake oil. So they said first 1 to 2 service it will be the 10,000. After that, if any spares, they didn't give the proper details, but based on the details which based on the parts which we are changing, based on those varies only the price will be vary for the maintenance. So just I am thinking, so can I go ahead with the high premium bikes, or can I go with the Himalayan? Still I am thinking. So instead of paying 14 lakhs, so can get Himalayas, 5 to 6 Himalayas we can buy. And right now I am going one more showroom, Bentley showroom, and so there also one bike is there, TRK, Bentley TRK. So I'll check that bike. I'll try to check that if they have that bike also for the test drive. I'll check with them and I'll do the test drive now itself. Okay guys, now I'm going to the Bentley showroom, and from here it's I think 5 to 10 minutes from the Tramp showroom. So I'll go there and I'll test that one more bike is there, the Bentley TRK 501 and 502. Two models are there for the adventure segment. So I will test those two bikes also, and I think those two bikes cost around 5 to 6 lakhs Bentley, and I'm not sure how much the quality and reliable everything, I don't know, but the model which I am looking is it is also there in that category, right, adventure category. So I am going and checking there. So I will do the test drive, but I am not taking the decision right now itself, because the higher models, right, premium segment bikes, just I am thinking, so I can afford those bikes, but the maintenance and the remaining things I am thinking. I'll catch you guys at the Bentley shore.